guys, Derek and Sean, we are at Del Mar looking to see where we're going to put all the teams this year for our Del Mar Turf and Surf Barbecue competition. We're stoked. Last year was a huge success. Year 4.
Year 4.
What a trip. What a trip.
The West Coast. So there's Memphis in May, there's Jack Daniel's barbecue, and what we wanted to do is create something out here on the West Coast that celebrates all the great barbecue that's going on here. I mean, this is so cool. We have barbecue restaurants like Grand Ole Barbecue y Asado, Andy Harris. We have Brad Cooper from Coop's Barbecue, Corbin coming out. Of course, Valley Farm Market's going to be here, Cali Comfort. We're very excited. We're going to be announcing that International Smoke, which is Aisha Curry and Chef Michael Mina, their brand new restaurant located here in Del Mar. They also are going to be participating. Sam the Cooking Guy, Smoked Hog.
Big Green Egg's going to be out here.
Correct.
And something cool that, Sean and I weren't really sure how it was going to go last year. All you can eat. We're going to do it again. We're going to have desserts, seafood, and barbecue. It's a family event. Bring everybody you want. I mean, it's, we only have, 600 VIP tickets?
Should we tell them the secret?
Tell them the secret. Go for it.
The secret's to buy the VIP ticket. VIP ticket gets you in early. It gets you to taste the absolute best. There's only a limited number of VIP tickets. Be sure to go on Del Mar's website, dmtc.com. That's where you can buy tickets. The event probably will sell out very soon.
And we're actually going to have our own beer.
Oh, that's correct.
Second Chance Brewing. Rad Brewing Company. They are going to do a turf and surf barbecue beer for us. It's going to be a pale ale. Only going to be serving it here on the day of the event. Hopefully you guys can come out and enjoy it. We're going to have 9 other breweries that are going to be out here. We're going to be drinking, having fun, eating some good barbecue, having dessert. Like I said, it's something for the whole family, so we're really excited about it.
Yeah, we're grateful. US Foods helps us put this event on every year. So does Big Green Egg, hot sauces, and more. We've got some incredible things happening on the West Coast. Del Mar Thoroughbred Club. There's no better place on earth to celebrate barbecue. August 18th, 2019. It's the day after the Pacific Classic. Buy your tickets. Make sure that you're here.
We'll see you guys then.